A little boy in Arlington who was sent home from school for sneezing is back in class today. WBZ's Lisa Gresci shows us what it took to get him back to school.
The fourth grader was able to come back here to Bishop Elementary in Arlington this morning, but not before his father says he had to prove a sneeze wasn't the coronavirus.
I'm so excited and I'm happy about it. He's going back to school. Healthy.
Turno Keita says his 9-year-old has been healthy all along.
They asked me to do the COVID-19 test, and we did it over the phone, and the doctor called me a couple times.
After Lansana Keita answered a series of questions,
they were asking me if I had any fevers.
The doctor sent this note referencing CDC guidelines officially clearing Lansana of the coronavirus. To make sure, his father once again taking his temperature before leaving the house.
And it's 0.9.
The family frustrated yet ready to move on.
But what we can do, we're just going to follow the law.
Lansana happily leading the way.
Because school is fun and there's lots more to learn in school.
Lansana says if he can help it, he's going to think twice before sneezing. The school says the decision was made out of an abundance of caution. Reporting in Arlington, Lisa Gresci, WBZ News.